Hey Year 10, hope you're all keeping well. Welcome to our assembly on confidence and me. So, what is confidence? Confidence is you being able to say, I believe I can do this. Ways that we can build our confidence are focusing on actively seeking discomfort, keep trying new things outside of my comfort zone. And it's also about having a growth mindset. Believe that the more that you try, the better you will get. Ways that we can seek discomfort help us to enhance and enrich our growth mindset. So you've got to remember, no one's perfect. If it matters, have a plan and follow it through. Find your team supporters, so have positive people around you. Don't be unsure, ask or find stuff out. Replace negative self-talk with positive. Focus on the effort, not just the outcome. Visualize getting to success. Don't give up, even if things don't go to plan. Celebrate every success and model how successful people tend to behave. Some of the confidence building challenges that you can be getting on with are listed below. Compliment yourself. Try a new sport or club. Help someone. Set a goal to improve a grade at school. Be organised for a day or for the week. Keep a success diary. Make a new friend. Volunteer. Contribute to any discussions. Often there are lots of myths based around confidence. Some of the ones that you need to be aware of are the following. Confident people don't feel fear. People are confident because they did something big. Confident people feel confident all of the time. Confident people don't get criticised. Confident people get it 100% right all of the time. And finally, I will never be confident. In actual fact, so in closing Year 10, ways that you can build your confidence are think of at least one benefit you will get from feeling more confident overall as a person. Think every day you can start doing or building your confidence. Do a little bit at a time, step by step. And for any action that you take, make sure it takes you outside of your comfort zone. Really stretch that growth mindset. Take care, Year 10. Look forward to seeing you soon.